to the river or what? Clark, the sun just coming up. Better not be. It's awful early. Awful early for the sun to appear, Joe. I don't think the sun would just be in that one spot. I'm at the glow, which we can see now. Looks like the breaking of the sun. Oh, yeah, right.
Luego, aproximadamente a las 4:29 am, la luz emitió el sonido que estás a punto de escuchar. Es el sonido real de un objeto no identificado. Por lo tanto, escucharás el sonido que pocos han conocido al público.
Taping this, you guys. Yes, we are.